a human values-driven guide to money, freedom, and peace of mind. Most people think money is about numbers, budgets, salaries, investments. But in reality, money is about emotions, fear, hope, freedom, stress, choices. In 2026, millions of people earn good money, yet still feel broke, anxious, and trapped. Why? Because no one taught them how money actually works. And more importantly, how money should serve life, not control it. Today's video is not about getting rich fast. It's about building a strong financial foundation, step by step, with human values at the center. If you're a beginner, if you feel behind, if money stresses you out, this video is for you. The right money mindset. Before we talk about saving or investing, we must talk about mindset. Money is a tool, just like fire. Fire can cook food or burn a house. Money can build freedom or destroy peace. The biggest mistake beginners make is believing, "I'll start managing money when I earn more." That's a lie. If you don't control money when you have little, you won't control it when you have more. In 2026, success isn't about flashy lifestyles. It's about stability, flexibility, peace of mind. Real wealth is sleeping well at night, knowing one emergency won't ruin your life. Know where your money goes. You cannot control what you don't track. Most Americans don't have a money problem. They have a clarity problem. Start simple. Every dollar you earn goes into one of three categories: needs, wants, future. Needs: rent, food, utilities, transportation, insurance. Wants: eating out, subscriptions, shopping, entertainment. Future: savings, investing, emergency fund. For beginners in 2026, a good starting rule is 50% needs, 30%, wants 20%. Future: this isn't about perfection, it's about awareness. Tracking your money is not punishment, it's self-respect. Building an emergency life happens. Cars break down, medical bills appear, jobs change. Without savings, every problem becomes a crisis. Your emergency fund is your first financial shield. Goal: start with $1,000, then grow to 3 to 6 months of expenses. This money is not for shopping, not for vacations, not for investing. It's for peace of mind. In 2026, uncertainty is normal. Savings turn uncertainty into confidence. Debt, the silent stress. Debt is not just financial, it's emotional. High-interest debt steals your future income, your freedom, your sleep. Focus on credit cards, personal loans, buy now, pay later traps. 2 powerful strategies. Snowball method. Pay smallest balance first. Avalanche method. Pay highest interest first. Choose the one that keeps you motivated. Paying off debt is not about math. It's about momentum and dignity. Start investing. Even small. In 2026, not investing is risky. Inflation quietly steals your money if it just sits. Good news: you don't need to be an expert. Beginner-friendly investments. Employer 401k, especially with match. Roth IRA low-cost index funds, ETFs. The most powerful factor is time, not intelligence. Investing $100 a month consistently beats waiting for the perfect moment. Money grows when patience meets discipline. Multiple income streams. Relying on one income in 2026 is dangerous. Security today comes from diversification. Examples: freelancing online skills, digital products, dividends, side businesses. This isn't about burnout, it's about options. Extra income buys, time choices, reduced fear. Your goal is not hustle forever. It's freedom. Protect what you build. We insure phones but ignore our lives. Protection includes health insurance, life insurance, term, if needed, disability insurance. Protection is not pessimism, it's responsibility. Money without protection is fragile. Human values and money. Let's be clear. Money will not fix broken relationships, lack of purpose, inner emptiness. But money can reduce stress, give time back, support loved ones, create opportunities, use money to live with dignity, help without fear, choose values over desperation. In 2026, real success is having enough and knowing when enough is enough. Start where you are. Use what you have. Be consistent. Your future self is counting on you. Money is a servant, not a master. Learn it, respect it, use it wisely.